Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I get to share with you the unboxing for the Spellbinders February 2019 card kit. This is brand new and I'm so excited I get to share with you. On the sides of your box there's hashtags if you want to go check them out or follow them. There's tons of inspiration on there. The name of this month's kit is called Golden Swan. When you open your package, it's packaged like a present, which is so exciting. I'm going to set the box aside and we're going to take a look at everything that's in the kit. This is your content sheet. It has some inspiration on the front. And then on the reverse side, you get a step-by-step project tutorial on how to create this beautiful card with the golden swan there. Just lovely. I always keep those. Those are my little recipe cards. Okay, we're starting off with a cardstock. You get black, green, a rose pink, a coral, a softer pink. You get white, and then you get a real pretty blue. These are 8.5 by 11 inch sheets. You get 7 in total. You also get a sheet of gold mirror cardstock that's double-sided. Next you get, as always, you get 10 card bases and 10 envelopes, which is always lovely. I always run out of envelopes, so I always appreciate the envelopes. Your card bases are pre-scored for you. They're 4.25 by 5.5 inch standard size card bases. And these are textured just like your cardstock here. There's a little bit of tooth to them, but and the weight on them, I would say, is my estimate's about 80 pound weight. This is your Golden Swan stamp set. You get 3 sentiments. Thanks a bunch. You are simply wonderful, and hello. You get a little jar that you could put your flower in. You get the stem and then 3 different flowers that will attach to the stem along with a bouquet and then a little heart bouquet up there. But that's this month's stamp set. Now we get to take a look at the 6x6 paper pad. You get a full paper pad. This is the Golden Swan 6x6 paper pad. You get 36 sheets of pattern paper. They're single-sided, and this month there's gold foil accents on there. You get 12 different patterns, and what I like about this month's kit is they're basically two-toned pattern papers, which is nice because when you want to add some bright, vivid ephemera pieces, say, or use some of the cardstock behind, your pattern paper is perfect for that because it goes with anything. Little ballerinas there. So you get 12 different patterns and 36 in total, so you get 3 sheets of each. But that's your paper pad this month. Okay, next we get to take a look at the beautiful dies. I can't wait to show you the Swan Die that's in this month's kit. It is super pretty. You get 11 dies total, and the swan is a layering swan. You get the wing, and then you also get the base of the swan, and there's so much detail in this. Just gorgeous. You also get a leaf, 2 leaves here, but they're joined together, which is nice. You get a smaller little leaf set. You also get a flower with a little flower center. And then this is your swan nose, or the bill, to create a little bit added detail in the swan. You also get the little swan crown. And then you get 3 sentiment dies that spell out "It's Your Day." And it's in a beautiful font. I'm actually going to die cut it out and show you what the font looks like. But it's so pretty. So here it'll spell "It's Your Day." It even cuts out that little apostrophe there. Okay, now I get to share with you the Ephemera Pack, and there are tons packed in this beautiful little pack, and there's something for all occasions. There's birthday elements, there's cutesy, there's elegant, and there's sentiments. So lots in here. Most of them have gold foil accents, and then you get 2 of each one, which is great. Now, I'm going to slow my video down a little bit because I did want to share with you a little bit more about the Spellbinders Card Kits in case you're new and you're interested in it. It's a monthly kit subscription. If you live in the United States, they're $35 flat. There's no, the shipping is included in that $35. But if you're international, I'm not sure how much the shipping is, but if I do want to tell you that if you go to the Spellbinders shop, in the bottom left hand corner there's a little icon, and if you click on that icon, click on your flag, it will change the currency over into the country that you are in. That way you'll be able to see how much the shipping is. And unfortunately, international shipping is extremely expensive. Well, shipping anyway is expensive, but if you're just interested and want to know how much it is, click on that little icon at the Spellbinder shop. Now, I also wanted to tell you a little bit about the add-ons. Now, if you're not a Club Kit subscriber, add-ons, kit extras are available over at the Spellbinder shop. So if you're interested, sometimes they have the Ephemera Pack sold separately, or the paper pack, or even the stamp set. So I'll leave a link down below if you want to check out the card kit extras. I also wanted to share a little bit about the exclusive club membership benefits. There are tons. I didn't even know. But you can earn creative rewards, even if you're a club member, which is great, for every time you purchase something from Spellbinders. There's also an email that's sent out with inspiration all month long, which is great. And then there's also sometimes some special deals that they'll email just to club members, which is fantastic. Now, signing up is easy. You just use your credit card. It's charged on the same day every month, and then the kit is usually shipped within 2 to 4 business days. So I think it's super fun. And there's options too. In case you want to cancel, you can cancel anytime. And then also there's now options available to where if you want to skip a month, you can do that too. And I'll leave a link down below to where all this information is more in detail too for you, especially about the creative rewards. I'm not too sure about how that works, but I'll leave a link down below to where that is. But this is all the ephemera, guys. Now, I did want to tell you too about a kit option. If you like the Spellbinders dies, there's a small die of the month, there's a large die of the month, and then there's a value club kit called Kit and Caboodle, which is both the die clubs and the card kit. So you get 3 club kits sent to you all at one time, and that is called Kit and Caboodle. Okay, a lot of information there, guys. I hope I didn't bore you with that, but I just wanted to share a little bit about the kits with you. Okay, you also get in this month's kit a sticker sheet. They're gold stickers, sentiments for all occasions, and they're backed on a plastic, a clear backing, which is lovely. Lots of sentiments, lots of elements to create different projects. You also get some puffy stickers this month, and they coordinate with the ephemera beautifully, and then they also coordinate with your cardstock. You get some French macaron cookies, which look so good. You also get presents, bows, smaller sentiments. A sentiment says "Be beautiful," but those are your puffy stickers. You also get some 3D floral stickers. They have glitter accents on there, and they're layered together, which is great. There's foam adhesive on the back. You also get 2 tags. You just punch out that top piece, and then you can add your twine or your ribbon, and they coordinate with your ephemera and most all of the elements in the kit beautifully. Now you also, as always, get a roll of double-sided adhesive tape and then some foam adhesive. This month you get some gold sequins, and I love the little jar that they're coming in. What I usually do is take a sequin and I glue it to the very top, and then I put it in my drawer, and it stands up beautifully, and it looks pretty too. But this is everything in the February 2019 card kit of the month for Spellbinders. Again, links will be down below in case you want to check it out. Now, I also want to tell you guys that I did a 10 card one kit right after this video. So at the very end here, if you click on that, it'll take you directly to my 10 cards that I made using this kit. Now, I also wanted to share with you that the pictures that you're seeing here are actually everything that's left over from my kit. I should have took a picture before I started my projects, but I was so excited about the kit I jumped right in. But everything that I shown in that picture was everything that I had left over. There was tons left over in the kit, but that was just a little extra tidbit if you wanted to take a look at the pictures. There was tons left over. But watch my 10 card one kit video, guys. I hope that it'll give you some inspiration on how to use the February kit. But I wish you a lovely day. Thank you so much for joining me. Now, it's the 10 card is the top video where that arrow is pointing there. But I wish you a lovely day, guys. Thanks so much for joining me. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.